How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. First thing, just try to log in into your Snapchat account. If it doesn't let you log in, then just open up your browser and search for this. Just search for Snapchat locked support and click on the first option, my Snapchat account is locked. Scroll down and over here just click on who can unlock my Snapchat account. Scroll down and over here where it says here, just click on here. And once you click on here, it's going to take you to a login page. From there, try to re-log in into your account again. It should be unlocked. If it's still not unlocked, you want to come back to this page. This time you want to click on appeal. And over here, scroll down and click on no over here. Now once you click on no, you want to go back, scroll down, click on I can't access my account. And at the top, you will see Snapchat support. Click on it. Now from here, scroll down and click on contact us. From here, you want to choose, I think my account was compromised. Scroll down and click here to contact our support team option, which is in red color. Now over here, just fill this form up, like enter your username, email, your mobile number, and over here, make sure you explain your problem pretty nicely in detail. Click on submit. Snapchat staff will contact you in whatever email you wrote over here and help you unlock your Snapchat account. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel.